Hello everyone, how we doing today? You remember I talked about love and fear, which are at the core the very main emotions that you can feel. You're either in love, you're either in fear. Being in love means that you accept what's happening right now and you're fine. You're not trying to fight, to fly away, to say, I don't want it. No, you're fine. And you know that when something happens to you, you might feel down, you might feel angry, you might feel all these things, but you know you're gonna be fine. You know you have the strength and the tools to get out of it. You know that it's not gonna last forever. Then you have the other side, which is fear. And fear goes with resentment, anger, sadness, apathy, depression. And when you're into that, you're very afraid of the future, afraid of losing what you have. So the idea is for you to try to stay as much as possible in love. But know that love and fear, duality, meaning they'll always be there and they'll always be there and together. Meaning you can be in love and still be afraid to lose what you have, what you love. Do you know what I mean? And you can be in fear and still loving the life you have, but afraid that the project that you're planning is not gonna work. So work on being in love, work on having a strong mindset, work on your resilience, so that when fear comes knocking on your door, you don't lose it all. You just go like, okay, no, you're right, but you know what? I can deal with this. Thanks for the advice, but I can deal with this. So work being in love. Ciao.